Hello everyone, just took a wee drive, probably about 20 minutes away, down to a place called Patuli. It's got a wee harbour here, which you can see there. There's Brody. I'm just taking oh no, it's actually Sandhaven Harbour, so Patuli must be the one further along. So this is Sandhaven Harbour. I'll show you this. No swimming, yes, well I don't think I'll be swimming anyway. So this is the harbour here. Some boats all parked up. Oh, there's one for sale. No, I'm not buying it. Even at £3,660. So it's got two bits to the harbour here. I think there's an east and a west. This just looks like kind of wee private boats, small fishing boats, and there's basically just a couple of yachts in this bit here. So let's stick the drone up and let's see if we can see any seals. With the tide out, they generally rest up on the rocks, so hopefully we'll see something. But I'll stick the drone up now and let's have a look. There's the drone. We're going to send it up now. And send it out to see if we can find any seals. So as you can see by the video, I managed to get 2 or 3 grey seals in there. I was flying at about 30 metre size, so it's not to spook them, so pretty good shots. So hopefully you enjoyed that video, just a short one, and we'll see if we can see some more. See ya!